Okay, let me check if I'm live on Twitter and YouTube, and then I'll come back to the actual stream. Okay, I'm live on both. Let's reset the timer, and now we can start with. Okay, give me a second. Okay, yeah. So yesterday what we were trying to do is create this handler or function to get chain ID, uh, chain name from chain ID for DefiLlama API. We created this JSON object where chain ID is there and the name of the chain. All are there for all the chains that DefiLlama supports. And we are going to create a function that reads that chain and get the name for chain ID we sent or we gave that function. So let's see, get name from chain ID, chain ID 1, number, chain ID 2 number. Okay, now we have this. Let's just read the file. Current directory name, we go to down, no, to up, and name is chain ID to name dot json. That's the file name. We get chains equal to json dot parse file path, then find name We are just calling it twice. This is a function. I can and we can use it as this, like this, chain ID 2. So chain IDs dot find c equal to this. Okay, unknown chain. Okay, that's good. Then we can say get name from chain ID. Can we convert this to number? Okay, we can. That's good. Then we'll get names. We also need a handler for calling the API. It will be get, give me a sec. It will be get price dot, no, file will be called get price dot ts, and we'll just do an API call inside it. Okay. Yeah. What else? I was talking about this, right? We need to do an API call to DefiLlama API. So let's see that API. DefiLlama API docs coin current. So this returns current price. You see this part. We want to save the decimal also and the price, so it won't be called multiple times in a minute. We can assume that in a minute price won't go up and down that much, or at least that's the idea. Let's see if it actually works or not. Fetch. Okay. export function get price. We are going to return number, or we can say no, we need to say price and then do the UID calculation afterwards. So what we can return is number comma number. Okay, let me explain. So we have these two things, right? Where is this? Decimal and current price. I'm gonna assume it doesn't change for a minute, or there is no significant difference, significant variation in the price. Maybe dollar or two here and there. That that probably works. And we also need decimal for calculating the price, because right now all the prices, let me show you if it won't be here. I need to start my Docker, and I don't want to. Everything crashes after that. Anyway, so what I was saying was we have these two things, decimal and price. So we are going to return, first will be price, current price of that token, and this will be decimal value of that token. That's the idea. So let's see. Also, we need to store this in some file for caching, as the simplest way to go about it. So that's why I want to do caching. You can copy the link from here. You see this. And we are going to take string, sorry, token with chain string, which will go here. Oh no, token with token with chain. Const result equal to okay. Oh wait, yeah, forgot that. Async await, we have a one. Okay, uh, that works. I'm not sure how we should structure the file. That's that's what I don't know. Why I'm still getting an error? Oh, it should be promise. Promise. Uh, Let me think. So we can actually structure the object in a way like timestamp, and then the DefiLlama object. What this will do is it'll check when when we have called the API. Last time we have called the API. No, we need token token with chain so we can access it quickly. Then time stamp, or yeah, the timestamp, and then defi current price decimals. So what this will do is we can access the token quickly, then check the timestamp. If it's more than a minute, then we'll call. If not, we won't. We'll just use this price, and decimal will always remain same. It won't matter anyway. So let's see. Where was this? Not this. Yeah. Put this here. We can start with const file path and say prices.json. This file is not there right now. We got the file path. Now we have prices. Not sure if okay, I have JSON file like this. JSON file which has objects with this structure. Can you find the token I sent? Okay. Const token data equal to prices dot token with chain. Okay, how to get current time stamp? And I'm not sure if that current timestamp is in milliseconds or seconds. No. If token data and current timestamp equal to timestamp minus 60. Timestamps is less than. Return this, else we can call this and return. Okay, there are a bunch of things that are still missing. Check, basically bunch of checks, not actual logic. We get the token data. Okay, if file is not there, create it. This would be much easier if we can directly create it. Okay, now this is done. Ensure directory exists. Ensure file exists. Then here we are. Is not okay. That's okay. Next part is fetch price from API. Oh, here it shouldn't be 00. We need to write it now. Fetch await. Okay, who is watching today? Let me check the analytics. So there is someone watching from United Kingdom. India, that's me. I'm pretty sure. Okay, who knows? Uh, it's nice to see you if you are all right now there. But yeah, Sorry, what we wanted to do, we got the token data. That's good. But if token data is not there, then we need to return like 00. No, if token data is not there, we also need to call this part, right? Yeah. Else, we want result.json. Yeah, I'll just use this. Can we try something else? Data is of type unknown. We know this, right? It will be something similar. Can I'm just trying to figure out how to remove this. Oh, yeah. We can definitely try this. Oh, sorry. The whole thing is not completed. Hopefully now everything is good. I need to test it. For testing, here these tests, I'm pretty sure that there is nothing special about them. These are just regular tests, right? Cool, 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 cool. So maybe I can just ask. Okay, for testing, what else? What are we using? Okay, I just asked ChatGPT to write the tests because I haven't done testing for JavaScript, any JavaScript project. So I am going to rely on that, rely on ChatGPT for this. We have mockfs, then why we have installed it. Oh, sorry, I was here. Did to import added two developer dependencies, which is knock and mockfs, and now trying to figure out why I'm getting this error. pnpm add dash dash savedef. Okay, now that's gone. We can import. Yes, we can import get price, and then just add the test case that GPT wrote. Okay, let's run pnpm test. No, 176, I guess. 170. 174. This. Cannot read undefined of. Uh, cannot read property of undefined reading current price. So this is undefined. Okay, it's suggesting me some things. Let me just check what it's doing. Okay, it's just assuming a wrong thing. Oh no. Okay, these two work, but this fails. So this will also fail. Okay, let me just console log price of token price. Oh, okay. This changes. Let's run it now and see what happens. Okay, we are still getting the same error. This I don't know how mock fs works. That's the issue. Okay, if we temporarily remove this, I know it doesn't. That's not the way to go. But still, let's figure out the simpler part, which is returns cache data. Okay, there is no data, so yeah, cached data from where are we getting this? Okay, that's I think that's not good. Let me see the logic here. This works. the there is no issue here. Get prices current token mock API URL. Okay, This is correct. This is correct. We have issues with these two tests. Here mockfs is not working. Let me read about mockfs then. We are doing mockfs correctly. We are saying we need pricer.json, and it should be there. Mockfs restore nook clean all. Okay, after each nook this part works. Then we have file path sync, and there is no saved. So let's say dot only, so we can focus on this test and the errors related to that. It actually worked. Okay, if I remove this, what happens? And go to this. These two are failing, right? No data found for cached. Okay, so what do I need? It's saying val value is not cached. So timestamp, if timestamp is not older than 60 seconds, so this is getting hit. This console log, do we have at least? Let's go down here and say token data, console log, token data. Sorry, maybe now that will happen. Okay, our logic was wrong in the function. Cool. We have everything that we want. Now we go to handler, say const token1 data, then get price. We give it names 0. No, we need to format it. Name 0. I don't know what, semicolon, I think. Colon, then input token address. Now we do the same, just name will be different. Token 2 names 1 and then output token address. With this we have two numbers. First will be decimal, second will be first will be current price, second will be decimal. Across handler, let's go down to let's first fill this. USD value is token 1 data 0. We do we need, yes, we do need a wait. Those are async functions, keep that in mind. No, instead of this we should calculate them first. Here const USD input amount, it will be token 1 data 0 into event.params dot input amount into token data 1. No, it will be division. We need to convert this into big int. Does that work? And then convert this to number. Let's cut this and now say const precision input amount is this, const precision output amount equal to same, but we'll change params dot output amount token 2 data 1. That's good. Then we multiply the precision input amount with token 1 data 0 to get USD input value. USD output value amount equal to token data 0 into precision output amount. Yes, that should work. Now we need to, we'll put all of this here. No, we can put it here too. Just, yeah, that should work. We don't want this, we can remove it. There are no errors, that's good. Okay, with this, I guess we are done. We have USD amount, we have precision input, precision output. We just need to check, we just need to write the tests now. We have individually tested that. What was it? We have individually tested the function, get price function, but we haven't done the test for handler, which are here. We can do that tomorrow, instead of right now. Let's see what can we do. What else can we do? Okay, sorry. I was talking about this. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I don't think anything else is remaining. If you want to see what changes we have done, you can go to the GitHub. I'll put the link in the chat. And yeah, okay then. If you are still watching, please don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter, and let me know if you think I can improve something in Twitter DMs or in YouTube comments. Anyway, okay then. See you guys tomorrow, same time, and have a nice day. Bye.